Very short part 3 for this chapter 14. We're going to look at ethers, where those are compounds with two organic groups that are bonded to the same oxygen atom. The way we name them is pretty simple. You identify the two organic group and you just add the word ether. So right here on the far left, I have a methyl on the left, I have a methyl on the right, so it's a dimethyl. Both are linked with a covalent bond to an oxygen atom, so it's a dimethyl ether. In the middle, I have a methyl on the left and ethyl on the right. I still need to follow the alphabetical order. E from ethyl goes before M for methyl, so it's a ethyl, methyl, ether. And on the right side, where I have two ethyl, so it's a diethyl, linked with an oxygen atom and a covalent bond, so it's a diethyl ether. Now, those are found mostly through plant and sometimes animal kingdoms. Plant oils, and we use them for perfume. They have also lots of different biological roles. So here on the left side, this is a flavoring agent that you find in anise and fennel. On the right side, this is a juvenile hormone that you find in insects, and for example here silkworm. The skunks, where they can repel predator with their nasty stinky smell by releasing several thiols, and those are really not fun to just smell. Well, some of the objective is just to identify a thiol. I won't ask you to explain how it can be converted. Now here, looking at thiol and disulfide. So thiols, we also name them mercaptans. They are compounds that contain S, sulfur, and H group. We name them by using thiol to the parent hydrocarbon name. So on the far left, I have 2 carbon atom that will be a ethane. SH at the end, it becomes a ethane thiol. Middle one, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom is a butane with a SH. It becomes a butane thiol. SH is on carbon number 1 if I start numbering from right to left, so it's a 1 butane thiol. I recognize a substituent such as a methyl, which will be on carbon 1, 2, 3 from right to left, so it's a 3 methyl 1 butane thiol. And the far right, well, you can actually have either butene double bond, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom, 1 double bond on carbon number 2, so it's a 2 butene. Thiol is on the carbon number 1 if I number the carbon from right to left, so it's a 2 butene, 1 thiol. Then we go to here, disulfide. Most of the characteristic of thiols is there, other, very strong. We talk about the skunk, and we also have here things that we need to mention, the fact that natural gas is odorless, but methane thiol is the one that we use to make leak detection easy, so you can smell there's a leak into your methane container. Some of the reaction mild oxidizing agent, they will give you disulfide. So disulfide is when you have two thiols that are going to be joined during that reaction. Hydrogen from each is lost, and you have a bond that goes from those sulfurs, so in between the sulfurs. Reverse reaction is possible when you have a disulfide that is treated with a reducing agent. So just basically 2 thiol molecule on the far left, oxidizing agent, it gives you a disulfide.